just want to know why you can't make a report. I'm gonna put your.
I got the wrong key.
Remember her email yesterday? I printed it out for you.
You still have that email?
Remember her email yesterday?
Yeah.
I printed it out for you, waiting for you to come sign it.
Yeah. Okay. I gotta get it.
So like, why is it okay then but not now? I'm confused. What did she say?
She said she wanted to ask the judge, but I'm waiting on the deputy or somebody to come because I want a police report.
And that man that was in the courtroom with the white
The
hair
bailiff.
said he wasn't going to do it.
I'm not
Yeah,
giving
I
you
heard
no
him.
police report. Girl, these people crazy.
That's not for you to decide. Here, drink your water. Because you lost the top.
Bernie took it. Who texted you?
Nobody? That's not my phone.
Hey.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. So my understanding of accessing the clerk's office and what's actually happened is not matching up. So what I want is just a police report because they're refusing me services, and I want a police report to just document my experience here because I think I might have some legal recourses.
Okay.
But you know, if I don't get a police report, then it's like it never happened.
Okay. So what is what's going on?
I presented some documents to be filed.
Okay.
Can I talk to the officer? Come on. She want to talk to you.
Okay.
Come on, talk to him. Or I'm gonna talk to him. Okay. Basically, they're holding my documents, won't give them back.
Okay. What kind of documents are they?
Legal documents.
What kind of legal documents? You gotta
What kind
elaborate.
of legal documents are they?
You're the one that filed them.
It's legal documents, the order of protection.
Okay. So do you live here or where do you live? You live in Monticello, you live in Drew County?
The order of protection is gonna be filed here.
Okay. But do you live elsewhere?
I do.
Okay, where do you live?
I will live in Monticello once it's safe for me to live here. I used to live here.
Where do you currently live?
I don't tell nobody around here where I live.
Okay, here's the deal. I'm an officer.
I know.
okay?
It's on the
I'm-
petition, I say withheld.
Hang on. I'm requesting the information so I know to give you the correct information that you need.
Put like this, the violence happened in Drew County.
Okay, but where do you live?
I don't live in Monticello anymore.
Okay. Do you
but
live in Drew County?
I have property in Drew County.
Do you live in Drew County? Physically live in Drew County?
I did prior to my safety being jeopardized.
Okay. Where do you currently live? Another county?
I'm not disclosing.
Here's the
where I
deal.
live.
Whenever you go to file something like that, you're supposed to file it in the county that you reside in.
Or
This
when the
is a-
incident happened.
This is a sheriff's deputy, okay?
You know, Mr. Harvey will.
All right, so it's,
Yeah, so, you know, it's my experience with not being treated fairly and them not following the rules. It's really hard to prove and to get, you know, anything to happen because there's no documentation. So what I'm experiencing right now is the staff here is refusing to give me the petition that I just asked them to serve. And I just want my papers back. And she's saying that she's not going to give it back to me. That's not
so once you fill out the paperwork, you turn it in, okay? They take the paperwork and do whatever legal paperwork they need to do, okay? And then from that point, they give them the paperwork to go get served
And I get a copy of what I filed.
after.
Right. And so they're refusing to give me the papers.
So let's talk to them. Rick and I will talk to them.
And I just didn't want them to say that, you know, I was causing the scene or anything. I wanted to be the first one to call for help because I realized that they were not trying to be
But
accommodating.
they have their ways that they have to do things. Some of them
And I've had to educate myself
and
because.
some of them are dictated by law.
Exactly, and they're not supposed to refuse my
Now,
filing or withhold my
Also,
papers.
by law, you're not supposed to refuse to provide information that a law enforcement officer requests from you. Something as simple as going, hey, where do you live? Okay? And you just, I don't want to give that. I don't want to give that. That's called obstruction of governmental operations. That makes it harder for me to do my job effectively for you.
That protection application is just for that reason, so that I can legally say I withhold my residence if I don't feel like the person I'm giving it to is safe.
So do you know me?
No, that's.
Okay. Have we ever dealt with each other?
You are in Drew County with Drew County Law Enforcement, and I believe that my abuser is.
I work for Monticello Police Department.
I believe my abuser works for all of y'all. So yeah, I'm really. Hey there, Mr.
Hey,
Starks.
hey.
How you doing? I'm not doing anything
I
today.
know. So,
I just want my papers
What's-
back. They just want to give me my papers. Like I don't understand. Just tell me to get my papers back.
so I don't know what's going
Or
on.
just give me a report saying that, you know, they took our paper and gave it back. I'll find a report. I just don't want to.
Did you give them a copy of your
Yes,
order of
I gave
protection?
the original, yes, ma'am.
All right, so they're filing it for you.
They didn't say that. What
Well,
they say they were
it
doing.
will be filed.
They didn't say that.
Just 1 minute.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Beverly.
We told, the judge said that we are not to treat you any differently than we treat others. We do not print things for people. But if you got it printed, I will file it.
Thank you. That's all we want.
Seems fair. Seems fair.
Yes. Are you remember when
First, Jen said that this was not legally.
That's things that we have to wait for court.
Because you know, when you came to my.
We're not gonna talk about this until we have
We
court.
didn't talk about that. But remember in January?
We don't, we have court. That's what court's about. I will talk to you about, I will talk to you about
I don't
anything.
want you to think that like.
I don't think anything.
I think some of y'all do your job really well, you know, and I appreciate you being so delicate with my daughter. You know, that was really important.
Was, it was myself and another. When we have court, that's when we talk about that.
Hey, but we're still people though, you know?
We're people.
I
We're
see you
people.
around.
We're people.
I think I get my one back in the brief too.
You don't think so? Who got it?
Do you want this case?
Oh,
Yeah, it's not supposed to be filed with that case. It should be given a new case number. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I do.
You want a new case?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we'll open the case for you. I'll hand it to the judge. I do not know what the judge will do.
Yes, ma'am, I know.
All right, can we give it a case number? And I would,
I'm gonna need to smoke my game.
My mom literally explained herself multiple times about what she wanted. And I refused to listen.
What, are you saying something?
No, don't say it. Don't repeat it. Okay, never mind.
Okay.
Were you talking?
I was.
So I was asking, are you talking?
Nah, she changed
No.
her mind.
I wasn't talking to you.
She changed her mind. She don't want no smoke.
No, I won't.
See, what I don't understand about these offices, like, despite how you feel about people or what somebody said, you gotta, it's a professional setting, you gotta remain. You can't look mean and angry while you're trying to assist. Customer service is everything.
I told you we're not gonna talk about what's gonna be. I will talk to you about the color of the sky.
Okay.
Come here. Don't say that. Grab your purse. And some of these people are good people, you know, and it's like they have good people turn against you. I know that. And he's actually one that I've come to really respect as a person.
You know what? We normally don't give this back until we get a order. Okay. So if you'll give me that copy up there, then I'll put the case number on there.